Electrical control panel of 12 needle embroidery machine. First, connect to the power supply. Turn on the machine switch. If a power outage occurs during operation, the power recovery interface will appear upon restarting. You can choose to return to the embroidery position. If not needed, simply exit. This is the jogging operation. Enter the main shaft jogging operation. Confirm the jogging action, and the needle stops down operation. Thread trimming operation includes trimming upper or lower threads and trimming bobbin threads. This is the frame-related operation. Here you can move the frame up, down, left, and right. Click the middle button for rapid movement. Automatic Find Pattern Origin Finding Operation. Moving the frame along the pattern border includes moving the frame and moving along the contour. Save Pattern Origins saves the current position as the pattern's starting point. Recover Pattern Origins. These are the Started Embroidery and Pause Embroidery buttons, respectively. Set Speed button. Click plus or minus to change the value of the maximum speed during operation. This button toggles the idling status. You can adjust between low speed or high speed idling mode. Pattern Management button. Here you can switch between single or multiple pattern selections. This is the pattern sorting operation. You can sort the patterns in the current directory in different ways: full screen pattern display or view pattern information. USB drive related operations. Letter embroidery operation allows custom settings of letter patterns. This sets the canvas size. This is the Settings Management. Enter the Settings Management interface. Here you can switch between different languages. This is the embroidery mode switch. This is the automatic color changing and automatic start status. This is the automatic color changing and manual start status. This is the manual color changing and manual start status. Perform embroidery mode switching. This is the embroidery preparation mode. This is the embroidery confirmation mode. Here you can perform color selection. You can set the color order. On the back of the electric control panel, the black knob adjusts the electric control unit up and down. There is also another knob here that adjusts it left and right. The red one is the emergency stop button. Press the red button to stop the machine immediately. To restore to normal status, rotate this red button to the right. There is also an infrared switch here. Press lightly to turn on, press again to turn off.